16 productivity habits you need to incorporate in your life. Welcome to Penny Investors, the platform where future millionaires come to find inspiration. We're delighted to have you back for another video. Today, our focus is on productivity. It's all about how you choose to use that time, whether you invest it in your dreams or let it go to waste. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Twitter at FanInvestors1 for more valuable insights. Let's dive into 16 effective strategies to enhance your productivity. Number 1. Jot it down. Start by creating a to-do list. It's an essential tool for getting organized, prioritizing tasks, and experiencing a sense of achievement as you check off completed items. Draft your to-do list the night before to have a clear plan for the next day. Knowing that you have a plan in place and that nothing important will be forgotten can reduce stress levels. You can approach your day with confidence, knowing that you're in control of your tasks. Number 2. Trim your to-do list. Avoid overloading your to-do list with non-essential tasks. Focus on 1 to 3 time-consuming tasks and allocate time for 3 to 5 smaller tasks. This approach prevents overwhelming yourself with a lengthy list. Number 3. Cease multitasking. Contrary to popular belief, multitasking can harm productivity. It causes your brain to constantly switch between tasks, resulting in a potential 40% drop in efficiency and a decrease in IQ. Concentrate on one task at a time for optimal results. Number 4. Minimize distractions. To maintain focus, minimize distractions. Turn off notifications. Resist frequent social media checks, and activate Do Not Disturb mode on your phone during work hours. Inform friends, family, and colleagues to respect your work time. Number 5. Organize your workspace. An organized workspace promotes concentration. When everything is in its place, you won't waste time searching for items. Some invest heavily in their workspace, like the Emperor Workstation, which offers various features for productivity. Number 6. Time tracking. Monitor how you spend your time to identify areas for improvement. Are you spending too much time on certain tasks or getting lost in social media? Tracking helps you make informed adjustments. Number 7. Embrace technology. Utilize apps and tools to boost productivity. These resources can help track time, create schedules, set reminders, and manage tasks efficiently. Digital lists are less likely to be misplaced. Number 8. Set smart goals. Ensure your goals are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. This framework provides clarity, progress tracking, and motivation to achieve your objectives. Number 9. Choose influential companions. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your goals and aspirations. Collaborating with such peers can motivate you, stimulate creativity, and enrich your knowledge. Number 10. Self-learning. Embrace the concept of self-learning. The compound effect highlights the power of consistent, small efforts. Devote just 1 hour per day to independent study, and you can become an expert in your chosen field within a few years. Consider using commute time for reading or listening to educational content. Number 11. Cultivate the habit of saying no. Avoid being a people pleaser who always says yes to every request. Learning to say no to colleagues seeking help, especially when it disrupts your workflow, is essential for maintaining productivity. It doesn't mean you should never assist others, but prioritize your tasks first. Number 12. Be proactive, not reactive. Take charge of your day by planning ahead and sticking to your schedule. Don't allow incoming emails or phone calls to dictate your activities. Be the one in control of your time. Number 13. Avoid endless meetings. Meetings can be productivity killers, often consuming time without achieving clear outcomes. If a meeting isn't essential, consider alternative communication methods like messaging groups. Bill Gates, who limited meetings to 3 minutes, understood the value of time management. Number 14. Focus on result-oriented activities. Identify the 20% of activities that yield 80% of your desired results. Concentrate your efforts on these high-impact tasks for maximum productivity. Number 15. Take care of yourself. Productivity isn't solely about scheduling and adhering to plans. It extends to overall well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are crucial for maintaining energy and motivation. A positive attitude emerges from a harmonious life. Number 16. Incorporate meditation. Even a few minutes of daily meditation can enhance concentration, reduce stress, and boost productivity. Research suggests that just 5 minutes of meditation for 2 weeks can elevate productivity levels. There you have it, 16 productivity habits you need to incorporate in your life. We've assembled these strategies to help you become a more efficient and successful version of yourself. Feel free to share these tips with friends and family to inspire positive changes in their lives. Lastly, let us know your thoughts in the comments regarding the impact of your morning wake-up time on your daily productivity. Thank you for being part of Penny Investors, and remember to like and subscribe for more insightful content. We appreciate your support.